Hi, in this video, we will walk you through end-to-end Second Brain Labs and how we can run our first campaign. Let's get started. In order to sign up, visit app.secondbrainlabs.com/signup. Once you're here, you will see an option of start your free 14-day trial. Enter your email and choose a password, and let's click on create a free account. Once we do that, we come into this onboarding page. Now once we enter all the details here, with all the informations you provided, Second Brain Labs has built two personas for you. Arjun Sharma, who is passionate about driving sales and forecasting client relationships. Priya Sharma, dedicated to empowering clients with innovative sales solution. Either you can choose from any of these two, or you can also choose to create a custom. For now, I'll go with Priya Baba. Now, here you come to our getting started page. As you see, it's a simple three-step process. Create a first campaign, set up knowledge base, and connect your channels. So let us create a first campaign. Click either here or click campaigns and click new campaign and tell your objective of what you want to do. For example, here I've written one description which describes my campaign objective of reaching out to people who came via meta ads and have shown some interest in LLMs and AI tools. Through this campaign, I want to reach out to them and understand their interest and pitch about a certification program by SPL. I've also given some description about who these leads are. Now, we can choose a platform here. As of now, we support WhatsApp, iMessage, and LinkedIn. Let's do it for LinkedIn first. I'll select LinkedIn and let's click on Create Campaign. Give it some seconds and it will craft one of the best flows that will drive your objectives and results. Here is your simulation ready, and you can play around with the model and the campaign and review your campaign here. This simulation chat is how your end prospects will also chat with you. So you can review this and optimize this further. Click on the settings icon. This opens up some more options where you can tweak the campaign as per your needs. In set target users, you can define your audience type and the description who we are reaching out to. This is campaign objective and flow, where you shape the actual conversation of a second brain chat as per your required campaign. Here you see campaign objective, which defines what do you want to achieve with this campaign. You can simply describe it in plain English language. Then below, you see campaign flow. This is a rough sample or a reasoning that you can give the model on how it should drive the conversation and its reasoning of the chat. For example, you can write about how it should start your conversation or how it should pitch about your product or do some objection handling. This is product links, where you give the model the platform links it should promote or drive actions to. Then we have the last, the platforms, where you set your initial messaging strategy on how the model will reach out to your prospects. You can craft your best outreach message by hyper personalizing it using smart variables. That makes the outreach message accordingly crafted based on the profile and the recent posts of the prospects. Now, these four fields help you craft your best result driving campaigns for you. In sources, you can upload your medias, documents, and files as a knowledge base that will be helpful for the model to know more about your campaign and offerings to perform the best. You can click on this plus icon and upload your file. And here we can add some tag to it. We can add more URLs, plain text, or question answers. And when we click on train, this will start training the documents. Now, once you are done reviewing the simulation, it's time to run the campaign. Click on this Setup Run configuration. Simply upload your contacts as CSV and you will get the mapping option where select the name as the name field and map the LinkedIn URL to LinkedIn profile field. And let's click on upload. Once successfully uploaded, this is all ready to launch your first campaign. But before we do that, we are asked to connect a channel here. So let's click on connect and we come to our communication tab on our settings. Let's now connect our LinkedIn account. Just click on the connect channel button and we will see a login page here where I can just simply add my credentials and just click on login. Once you do the authentication, it will automatically get redirected to our dashboard again. And you see, our profile is connected now. Now, back to the campaigns. And now we will get the option of run campaign. We can either run this in batches, where we select a percentage and the timings, or we can directly schedule the campaign. Here in this tutorial, let's just click on run campaign and confirm. Congrats! We have successfully run our first campaign. And in just a couple of hours, you will start to see conversations coming here. You can check the conversion prediction of how many sales did you actually get, or sentiment analysis, or further insights on the campaign. You can click on the replied option and this will get you all the chats here. In case you want to also manually intervene any chat, you can just turn off the AI and then you can assign it to yourself and take on the chat from there. Now, let us also see how we can do the same on WhatsApp as a channel. Let's run a WhatsApp campaign now. Before we run our WhatsApp campaign, let's connect a WhatsApp channel. Click on settings, come to the communication, and click on connect channel. This takes us to a process known as embedded signup flow. Here, we would be required with a verified Meta Business Manager account to get access to WhatsApp APIs. Choose your Facebook account and select your business manager here. Next, and name your profile here. This is exactly what will be shown as a display name to your second brain WhatsApp profile. We can either use a new number here or we can also take a free number from WhatsApp. Just click here and next. We can click on finish and congrats! Your WhatsApp account is also set up. And when you again come back to the dashboard, you will see a WhatsApp number also connected. Now the campaign process is the same. Click on campaigns, new campaign, give your objective, and click on create. After you are convinced with the simulation, again let us click on the setup run configuration, upload our contacts. We can map the name as name and numbers as the phone number channel here. And just click on upload. Upload your contact and let's just click on run and confirm. Congrats! Now we have also made our first WhatsApp campaign as well. Now we're mostly done with the whole setup and walkthrough. Lastly, let's come to knowledge base. Knowledge base is important as this is the whole memory of your second brain model. You can upload all relevant and quality documents that you think would be helpful for the model. You can upload in formats of PDF, text, websites or links, or plain text or some FAQs. For example, here I've added one TXT and a PDF. And now I'll add some title here as pricing info. Click on submit and train. Great. Now we have understood the end-to-end setup of secondary labs. Hope this video was very informative as to understand how to get started with secondary labs. In our upcoming videos, we will also learn in more details about each and every features.